in the silent hours, beneath the shimmering facade of corporate success, a different kind of work began. This was Rajesh's world. The hushed halls after the rush, the discarded remains of ambitious days. He was the unseen hand that kept the gears turning, yet remained outside the machine.
No, I said 30%. Is anyone even listening to me? Just get it done.
Arjun, a rising star, barely registered Rajesh's existence. To him, Rajesh was just part of the office furniture, easily overlooked. But when the last employee left, Rajesh's real work began. The company's secrets, its strategies, its very pulse, were all laid bare in the discarded pages, and Rajesh absorbed it all, hour after hour, long into the night. Rajesh devoured knowledge. He wasn't just reading, he was dissecting, connecting, understanding the intricate dance of the corporate world he cleaned by day. Then, one night, a discovery, a presentation, fresh from the CEO's desk, revealed a glaring flaw in the company's core strategy, a miscalculation that threatened their very future. Rajesh spent days analyzing, refining, crafting a counter-proposal that was both brilliant and audacious. His humble kitchen table became a war room of strategy. With quiet determination, the solution was delivered. An anonymous whisper into the ear of power, a seed planted in the fertile ground of opportunity. The CEO was stunned. The anonymous proposal was not just insightful, it was genius. It offered a clear, actionable path to avert impending disaster.
Rajesh, this strategy, it's exceptional. I'm offering you an entry-level position in operations. It's a starting point, but your mind is exactly what this company needs.
Thank you, ma'am. I won't let you down.
And so, the quiet janitor stepped out of the shadows and into a new, unfamiliar light.
Look at this. From mops to spreadsheets. What a joke.
Mockery and doubt were his constant companions. Many saw only the uniform he had shed, not the brilliance he possessed. But Rajesh remained unyielding. He worked, he learned, he mastered. Each challenge was a stepping stone, each doubt a catalyst. He built his knowledge, brick by brick, from the ground up.
Our projections show a clear path to market leadership. We leverage our core strengths, innovate relentlessly, and invest in our people.
Years melted away, marked by relentless dedication. Rajesh rose through departments, proving his worth at every level, earning respect where once there was only dismissal. It is my distinct honor to introduce our new Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Rajesh. The whispers of doubt were finally silenced by the roar of success. The janitor had become the leader. His journey was a testament, etched not just in corporate history, but in the heart of a simple tool, a reminder of a past that forged an unshakable future. Your current position does not define your final destination. Stay humble, keep learning. One day, your struggle will become your strength.
You know, it's these moments outside the office that give me the clarity to lead.
It's good to see you take a moment for yourself, Rajesh. You've come a long way from those night shifts.
Every step was worth it, and I couldn't have done it without the support of my family.
We're all so proud of you, Dad. You're an inspiration to all of us.
To Rajesh, a true visionary who transformed more than just our company, he transformed lives.
Thank you all. This journey, our journey, has only just begun. Let's continue to strive and transform together.
Rajesh, I owe you an apology. I underestimated you so much back then.
We all grow, Arjun. I'm glad we're allies now. The foundation of this company is its people. Nurture them, and they will build greatness.
Thank you for paving the way, Rajesh. The legacy of Rajesh, the janitor turned CEO, was one of hope and perseverance. It inspired generations to aim higher. To the man who saw more in the shadows than most see in the light, the journeys you inspired, Rajesh, are ripples that extend far beyond our walls. And as the noise of celebration faded, Rajesh took a moment to cherish the silence, a silence filled with gratitude, woven with triumphs and trials.
It's not where you start, but where you're determined to finish that defines you.
On the rooftop, under the vast night sky, Rajesh felt the limitless possibilities his journey had opened, a silent promise to himself to inspire even more.
Welcome to the company that will see beyond the obvious. We are as strong as our passion and as innovative as our drive.
I'm excited to see where this journey takes us, Rajesh.
Let us be the company that leads with heart, inspires with vision, and grows with integrity.
With your leadership, Rajesh, anything is possible.
Success is sweeter when shared. Let's uplift each other and create opportunities for everyone.
Thank you, Rajesh. Your support makes all the difference.